Hey everybody, welcome to another baseball card break video with Matt. Today I got looked up and went to my Walmart, guys, and happened to find one hanger box of 2021 Diamond Kings baseball, guys. There's 20 cards per box. You can find 3 short prints and 2 inserts on average per box, plus the exclusive red frame parallel cards that you can find, guys. So here we go. Let's go ahead and jump on into this. It has been tough in my area to find baseball cards here lately, guys, because of the whole just madness that's going on in this area, guys. So here we go. The box was a little dinged up already, and this is, like, I want to say, the hardest hanger box I've ever had to open up. That's why I always keep a razor knife and scissors on by, because you never know when you're going to need those, guys. So here we go. Hopefully we can find some autographs, jersey cards, anything cool. Like the last time, one time we pulled that Paul Molitor back card that was 5 out of 5. I thought that was really cool. And this is a iffy subject with lots of people, because they go, oh, it's Panini product, it's not licensed and stuff. But I don't care, man. It's still the person itself. Like, it's, you know, it's authentic stuff. It's not like some guy in a basement printing these at home or something. So here we go. Let's see what we got out of that blaster. Here we go. We got a Trevor Story. We got Everston Florial rookie card. That's a really nice looking card right there, guys. So we're going to stick that with our rookies over here. I always save my rookies, guys. I don't care who it is. You never know. We got Walter Johnson. We got Marcell Ozuna. We got Frank Thomas. Bryce Harper. We got Isaac Paredes, rookie card. That's really nice. We'll stick that over here. We got Charlie Keller. We got Joe DiMaggio. Check that out, guys. That's really cool. We got Nate Pearson's rookie card. That's really nice. Stick that over there. We got Lou Brock. Here is our red print. Who do we have? We got Yu Darvish. Nice. I'll definitely stick that over there. Here is an artist proof, guys. We got Roger Hornsby right there, guys. The artist proof card. That's really cool. What else do we have? We got legacy lithographs of Johnny Bench. That's pretty cool. We got Jose Abreu right there. That's really nice. I like that. We got Jimmy Fox. Really nice. Walter Alston. Here we got a Diamond Kings debut of Christian Javier. I like these Diamond King debut cards. I like that blue background that they put on those. That's really cool. I like that. We got ourselves a Brady Singer rookie card. And the last one is a Nick Mandegraw rookie card. So that right there, dude, is a pretty good haul of rookie cards right there. We got Isaac Paredes. We got Evanston Florial. Brady Singer. Nick Mandegraw. We got the Roger Hornsby right there. Artist proof card. It's really cool. We got a red parallel of Yu Darvish. And we got Nate Pearson's rookie card, guys. That is going to do it for tonight's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to smash that like button down below for me and leave me a comment, guys, and I will write you back. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week. Peace.